Hello and welcome on my channel, Wild Monkey. I am Ben and today I am testing my new quad that I designed and printed at home. This quad has a pan tilt auto leveling gimbal and today I am testing the quad and the gimbal. Please enjoy this nice sunrise on Penang Island. So the purpose of this auto-leveling pan-tilt gimbal is to auto-level your camera while flying. When your quad is flying forward, the faster it goes, the more angle it takes. And as you can see here, I am flying about 60 km/h and the camera is still horizontal. It is a one-axis gimbal only, and you can still adjust the angle of your camera manually while flying, upward or downward, depending on the type of view you want to record. It makes it very helpful for cinematic views. Please enjoy the view one more time. You can see Georgetown at the back. Okay, now I am tilting the camera downward. And in this position, when I am flying, the auto leveling is still working. It means you can change the angle during the flight, and the gimbal is still adjusting the angle depending on the angle of the quad. This recording is slightly shaky because it's a recording from the DJI Goggle 2 OSD and there is no stabilization on this recording. Thanks for watching my video. I will in the coming days make a short tutorial to explain you about the hardware, wiring and programming of Inav software to make this system work. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I hope to see you here very soon again.